They are stored on the blockchain. They can represent ownership of digital art. In the past, we could create an NFT or a collection without having to pay. Now we have to pay for the collection and for the gas. Secondary sales is when I create an NFT, you buy my NFT, and you resell my NFT. That's secondary market.
If you have a painting here that you scanned as your trigger image, you can then see it as in augmented reality.
As I was coming into Web3 and I started like, oh, new platform, okay, let's go.
My first NFT project sold out and the guys disappear. Yeah, so, but now that don't happen because I already have the experience, and I think it's a good experience to understand and have more careful and caution.
Having new techniques, new tools and new ways of working, my style changed completely. Decentralization, I think that was the main word that got into me.
This is just a good example of a really good and potent software. A marketplace where you can get all the settings.